And the race is on. Angel Sky from the outside is presidential. Dayang-dayang Danori inside, rushing up in between runners. Air Force One. Words of Joy racing in fifth, running in sixth, even now by about 4 or 5 lengths of the leader. Angel Sky by a neck, followed by Air Force One. Presidential racing from the outside. Dayang-dayang is running in fourth by some 2 lengths, even now Words of Joy. Rounding the far turn, it's now Presidential, followed by Air Force One. Angel Sky racing third, getting closer in fourth, even now Dayang-dayang Words of Joy. Entering the last 450 meters more to run, Presidential by some 2 lengths, followed by Air Force One by the route, even now Dayang-dayang sneaking Danori inside. Entering the finish line, it's Presidential, Air Force One, even now moving up in between runners. Dayang-dayang Danori inside, but still Presidential, followed by even now Presidential, and finally even now Presidential close. Dayang-dayang, Air Force One, Words of Joy, and Angel Sky comes last.